So we're going to do this pathworking exercise, and let me explain what we're going to do. So it's a occult or magical technique that involves a guided meditation or visualization to travel through various symbolic landscapes. It's frequently you use the symbols and the archetypes found in the Kabbalistic tree of life. We're not going to do that today. We're just going to use the symbolism of a tarot card. But in the context of tarot, pathworking can involve meditating on a specific tarot card and imaginatively exploring the landscape and the figures within the card, which is what we're going to do. For instance, if you were to do a pathworking with the Hermit card, we're going to do a different one. You might imagine climbing a snowy mountain peak to seek the wisdom of this solitary figure that's up there holding this lantern. And then you would engage with the hermit, asking questions, and intuitively listen for the answers that he gives you. I'm first going to show you this card, and then we are going to use the Four of Cups. You see the man sitting under the tree. He's and look at his body posture. His body posture is all about, when you cross your arms, it's protecting your both your solar plexus, sometimes your heart chakra, as to not wanting to receive information. The legs are crossed, so he's very protective of the way he sees something. He's very intent on the three in front of him. See this little tree in the background. This is where we're going to start. We are going to start in a valley, and we're going to climb the hill to reach this man. So I want everyone to close their eyes, get comfortable, take a deep breath, and I'm going to guide you up to this tree. So, in your mind's eye, take your shoes off. Feel the blades of grass under your feet. It's a warm, late spring day. The sun is shining. The ground is slightly cool, but it feels good under your feet. And if you look straight ahead of you, you will see a hill. You see this incline, and there's a tree on top of it. And what you want to do is you're wanting to go up there and see what is on the top of the hill. And you look around to your left, and you will see far in the distance there's a little village. You see smoke coming out of some of the chimneys. To your right, you'll see a cornfield. You see the blades of corn swaying in the wind. So now you begin to climb the hill. It's not too steep. You can easily get up it. You see some dandelions in the grass. So you're getting closer and closer to the tree on top of the hill. When you reach the top of the hill, you notice on the other side of the tree, there is someone sitting. You can see their knee. You can see that there are 3 cups out in front of the tree. The person doesn't seem to notice you. You step to the side of the tree, and you can now see the side of their face and their shoulders, but they still don't notice you. So you slowly step around in front of them, behind the cups, and they become startled. They see you for the first time. All right, now everyone, slowly open your eyes. This is the true meaning of this card. He is so intently focused on these three cups right here that he doesn't see the answer to his question, which is right in his blind spot. You may be the bearer of the answer to the question. But this is a way you can actually get inside of a tarot card, see what's going on, take yourself through a journey. That was a very simplistic one, but you can see how it actually would take you on a trip to get into a card. If you can get into a card, then you will have more success with actually creating spells that go around a card. So that is a simple version of what a pathworking exercise is.